Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing another bloxburg video like always. We're going to be doing like a bloxburg tips, tricks and like building stuff video. We're gonna start doing them a bit more. And before we get started with the building, because that's what we're doing today, I just want to show you a cool trick that I just found out. So you read a book, yeah. This only works on the laptop, I think, and the PC. So you read the book. If you keep pressing E, then the book will change colors. It's quite cool. You can. There's nothing it really does, but it's quite a cool trick. But anyways, let's get into the building. Okay, this is the first one I'm going to be showing. It's a custom bunk bed, and there's not much point in building this, but if you want like shelves behind your bunk bed and like a little desk near it, well, this is useful. Let me show you how you build it. It's quite simple. I'm going to do like a room design using this bunk bed. So what we do is you're going to go onto beds, and you're going to take next to the traditional bunk bed, there is the traditional bunk bed and desk. So you're going to take this one. So I'm going to go, no, I don't want to place it there. Go ahead and place this bed like that. And then you're going to take, I just take standard single bed, but I guess you can take the modern single bed. I'm not sure how well it works though. Let's just take this bed. Go ahead and we need to turn this around. And so there's your bunk bed. And you have like a desk near it you can place a lamp on and stuff like that. It's not too hard, and it's just, yeah, I guess. Alright guys, so I've done a room design in here. This is it. There's a custom like wardrobe thing. I'll show you how to make. There's like just pillars and like a small fence around here. And this is, oh my goodness, what just happened? Am I down in the, what? Am I in the basement? Oh, I'm in the basement. Okay, and then this is like a custom bed here. I'll show you how to make it, guys, but what I'm doing is I'm not getting rid of the stuff, I'm moving it. So yeah, I'm not gonna buy it again because I'm still quite low on money from when I donated 20k. Like no, because like that was to two friends, so I've lost 20k. And yeah, I'm quite low on money still, so I'm just gonna move the stuff if you don't mind. Yeah, let me show you how I made it. Doggies! Oh, sorry guys. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these pillars and we're gonna place them in the corner of each of the room, just like this. If I can do it. By the way, guys, I recommend when you're in build mode, it's annoying if you keep having to go off to pay your bills or whatever, and they all build up eventually. So you can set them to pay bills automatically. So you place the pillars in the corner of the room like that, and then if you go in build mode and fences, you take the minus stone wall and bring it around the whole of the room. Then you're going to paint it, but I'm not going to worry about painting it right now. So I know this bed, it wasn't created by me, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyways. Like, yeah, I didn't make it, but still. I'm going to show you how I did. So you take the bed, the same one that we used for the bunk bed at the bottom, and if you go onto lighting, let me show you. There is, just down a bit, this horizontal border light, and you're gonna take the horizontal border light. Let me take it from this room. Sorry guys, I should have thought about this before I did a how to build video. Probably should have gotten more money first. That we're going to take these horizontal border lights. This you can only make with advanced placement, unfortunately, for the people who don't have it. But you're going to place, and then this one isn't a horizontal border light. This is a vertical border light, as you can see here. It's the same price though, just a little bit further down on the lighting menu. I'm not sure why. What was that noise? I don't know. I just heard someone snoring, whatever. Mine is down fully. Whatever. What do you mean yours down? Okay, sorry about that, guys. So we take these lights and we place them like here inside of each other, and then there's the bed. Obviously, I've painted mine already. So you can go ahead and paint yours. You paint these the same color as the pillars. No! Like that. What the flip? And then these are just on the tables. They're just let me show you. Just these ones, only 13 on the lamps. Okay, just like this. Obviously you'd want to paint the walls and these things, but I'm not keeping this room in my house, so I don't really need to. Now let me show you how to make the wardrobe. So this is the thing here. What you're gonna do, you go on storage, and just the simplicity wardrobe will do. And just place it about like here in the middle of your room. Now if you go down, this is also on storage. It's an empty oak bookcase. Obviously, I have stuff in mine. These are stacked towels on the decoration. That's a hair straightener that's on the vanity, not there. But this is on storage. It's the oak wardrobe. It's still quite cheap. All of this is quite cheap. This whole room is like, it adds up, but it is quite. And then these, they're cabinets, half. So if you go on cabinets here, it's press on the shaker cabinet, then shaker half cabinet. That's the one you want, and you take it over to here, and you place it on top of the dresser, and then you take another one, you place it right like where my food thing, my mouse is. You're gonna place it right on top at the very edge of this wardrobe, and they should connect like you go like that, but then they stretch out so that they can touch each other, and then that's it. Like, you can take this mat, put it down, and that's it. I'm done. So yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna sit here fiddling with the book thing and stuff, having fun. And I know it wasn't much, but when I have other people to help me, I'll be doing more videos on this, and when I have more money as well, because I'm only on 5,000 now. I need to boost that. So when I have more money, when I have more people, I'll teach you. There's other things I can show you how to do. There's like in the next video I'll be probably doing another room design. I'll be doing more custom beds, and it's like a custom. There's this. I made it up when I was bored. It's like a custom desk with a custom computer on it. It's not really a computer. It works like a TV does, but I guess when you don't have enough money for a computer, like I do right now, obviously I'll get more. But when you don't have enough money, it's a good replacement. So yeah, I guess that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.